Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have started my YouTube series about learning Python. So in this first part of the video, I will obviously tell you guys how to download the Python in your computer and what IDE, Integrated Development Environment, you should use for writing your code. So let's begin. First of all, open up the browser and type in python.org. Here you can see the Python website. You just have to hover over the download button in the menu bar and now click the Python 3.8.1 button, but make sure that you are downloading this for the right operating system. Means that the operating system you are using, make sure you download it for that operating system. As I'm using Windows, so I will download it by just clicking the download Python button, and it will automatically start downloading the Python for me. Now before installing Python setup, we also have to set up an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, in general the text editor where we will write our code. So repeat the step. Go to search bar and type jetbrains.com/pycharm. So PyCharm is the text editor IDE where we will write our code, because it is much simpler than other text editors. So you can use any other text editor as well, but I'm going to use the PyCharm. So here in this website, just click the download button, and you can see two versions of PyCharm to download. We will use the community version for the series, and there isn't a big difference between both of these, except the community version is free and there are some little benefits for the professional developers in the professional version. Now make sure to select the right operating system you are using. Right below the download PyCharm text, you can select your operating system, and now after selecting the operating system, hit the download button and it will automatically start downloading the PyCharm. But as I'm using 32-bit Windows, so its latest version doesn't work with 32-bit Windows, so I found this link of jetbrains.com/pycharm/download/other.html. Here you can download the previous versions of PyCharm. So the link is also in the description. Here you go down to version 2018.1 by scrolling down a bit and select the middle option, 2018.1.6 for Windows, but make sure you select the option at the right side, because the left side is for professional developers and the right side, the community version, is at the right side. And you can select Linux or Mac if you are using that, but make sure that you download community version. Okay, so now it's time to install Python. Install Python by opening the Python installer. You just download it. Here you have to check both of these checkboxes down below and click install now. I have already installed it, so I will cancel it right now. Do the same with PyCharm installer. Open it up and click next. Check the first option if you want it to be installed in C program files at the specific directory, or uncheck all of these if you want to save it somewhere else, and hit the next button again and browse the directory or folder where you want to install your program. Select 32-bit launcher and .py checkboxes, and you can select 64-bit launcher if you are using 64-bit Windows, as well as check the last checkbox and hit next and click install. Click Run PyCharm Community Edition and select Finish. So here the video ends. Hope you liked it, and if you want to know more about anything like compiler, which is PyCharm here, and which programming language to learn, etc., general questions that instantly popped into your mind, just comment and I will surely answer it in a day or make a video on that if necessary. Now this video ends here. I will meet you in the next video and hope to see you there as well. Goodbye and be happy and be a coder as you should.